hả ta được water low Danny sleeping 6 o'clock morning yeah hello đây mà yes it's cat daughter already about 7 6 very much yeah about 30 baht about food no big case. Yes, very fresh coconut. Very nice. Hả? Mai là cái mà xin pháo ấy. Green, red color, not same. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, I can check. Check very young. Oh. Good sao? Very young. Very young. Oh, very young. Yes, you taste. Yes. Oh, very young. It's okay. But the fear now.
Coconut.
Yes, good. Một món ở đây, rocky mẹ. Oh, yes, for the fair night in the hotel. Yes, very nice. Very fresh coconut in Koh Yao Noi, Thailand.
ข้าวแกงเพื่อนกินแล้ว
Oh, no. Very young.
แบบยังเลย
Young.
เนี่ย
เพื่อเที่ยวอังกฤษเลย
ไม้เพื่อนไปกินอะไรตามไอ้ปลาใต้ถูกตั้ง50 บาท
It's a hotel 140 baht in the hotel. Very person. Yes, running free. No problem. Very young.
Hi, Fon.
Where are you go?
Down there for lunch.
For lunch.
Yeah.
See you later.
See you later.
I think he's giving us a sign, because first is the long-tail boat that drives by, and this is, it couldn't, the sound, you don't have it anywhere else. This is the sound of Koh Yao Noi, and now the waves. I think, I'm sure he would be very happy to see all of these people here, and him being at Hat Yao, which he loved so much and came here and wanted to have a beach club, I remember that. And today I have actually completely forgotten about this, because he asked me about the picture of him. I know we have pictures together, but then I went through the chat, I never deleted them, and the best thing was he sent me one time 11 pictures of every glass of sparkling wine he took on the way from his home all the way here. So you see, this is Chris. I never met someone who do something like this. Even my best friends wouldn't send me funny pictures like this. So I hope today with this trip we can remember him, and we will for sure not forget him. Neither the hotel, nor me, nor the people at the hotel who met him, because I can promise you we'll never had friends like this staying over. And someone who was that, such a good, such a good guy. I don't know how to say this.
He was amazing.
He was.
Amazing.
And I think he also, it's just, Cape Kudu will not be the same again without him. I mean, if you can come back, that would be lovely. And for me, this is the first time back after leaving here after 2.5 years, and it just felt like home when I see you and talk to you. It's just, I will forever remember Cape Kudu, no matter where I go, but Cape Kudu is always with Chris. That is, that's my part of. Part of what I wanted to say. Then when you're talking, it's.
Thank you for that.
I mean, a monkey is not swimming usually, so if he swims out in the ocean to get food, that means he's very desperate. And there's a lot of them now. And you cannot go touch him, because he will probably bite you, so how you get him off?
It's amazing, Sam. Whoa, that was a big throw, Ollie. No.
Come on.
I can't.
Yeah.
No.
Come on. You go further than that.
So warm. I can't, Sam.
You can. Lovely. Warm.
It's so nice.
Beautiful, no?
Yeah, it's lovely.
Look at the color of the water.
nó đi 45 chua.
No, 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 no.
No.
No,
Vodka with coke.
Vodka with Coke á. Vodka with Coke 3
Oh, Sam mojito. No, cartoon. Cartoon.
Who's that? Your girlfriend?
Yeah, đừng phụ kiện á.
No, 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 no.
Oh la la.
Thật chi.
And who? Who?
Oh.
Phuket. Nay Young Beach. Phuket in the airport. Yeah.
Kiss her?
Oh, very nice.
My opinion, it's so beautiful, special island, and peaceful, to be honest. And my dad, and well, he's here now in the ocean, so it's where I'm going to be coming most often to say hi to Dad and enjoy the culture, what my dad loved. I think that's where we'll leave the video from now, and we'll see you on the next journey. Hit the big thumbs up and hit the big red button, subscribe button, to follow the journey of my life from now on, and we'll see you in the next video.